Hey, I'm Darcy, and welcome to Screencasts Online. In today's tantalizing tip, we're looking at Chronicling, an app made by Rebecca Owen to help you track daily activities. You'll be able to see how many times you've opened social media apps, record how often you've watered your plants, and changed your bed linen. By tracking your events, you'll be more informed of how often you're doing certain tasks, and if it's time to do something again based on your last event using widgets. The app can be downloaded on iOS, iPadOS, and macOS. I'll be using it on iPad, but the features are by and large the same across the board. If the app works for you, consider subscribing for a nominal monthly or yearly fee. So, first thing we need to do is create a category for an event. Bear with me. Tap on the rectangle stack icon at the top of the sidebar. Then tap on Examples to the right. Categories are things like going for a run or taking medication. They collect events of the same type together. That would make an event each time you do a certain thing. If you read a book, that's recorded as an event in the Read a Book category. So let's get going by adding a couple of example categories, then we'll build our own. Tap on Walk the Dog, and it's automatically added as a category. See on the left sidebar. On the right side, most of the space is taken up by data. Towards the top, we have the total and average amount of events for the life of the category and the last week. In the center is a graph showing our events. I've added some for illustrative purposes. We'll add some more soon. And towards the bottom, we have the time span. This category is set to show data in weekly chunks. Tapping the arrows will move you back and forward in weeks. The individual events themselves are listed chronologically at the bottom. Let's add a custom category of our own and then add some events in. Tap the stacked rectangle icon at the top of the sidebar again, and we're back to where we were. I can begin at the top by typing the name of my new category. I'll make one for grocery shopping. Tap on Icon next. There are too many icons. These aren't even emojis. I think they might be derived from Apple's developer icon kit. This is easily navigated though by the search bar at the top. I'll type cart and select from the following icons. Choose from one of the listed colors and enter a description if needed. Now, remember back at the dog walking category how we saw the events listed weekly. That can be customized here. For some events, you may want to track them on a daily basis, weekly, or monthly. Your choice. And lastly, we can create a group for our categories. If later I make a category for, say, tracking eating out, I may want to list them both under a group called food. So, on the left we have our categories, grouped and ungrouped. Now we'll explore the different ways you can easily add events and keep track of everything.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.